Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync contacts in Outlook app on Android. There are several methods that you can use to enable Outlook contact sync on Android phones. But here I will show you how to easily sync contacts through the Outlook app settings. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Outlook app on your phone. On the app's home page, tap the Outlook icon in the upper left corner. Tap the settings icon here. Then scroll down. Tap Contacts. There is a Contact Sync option here. So to enable it, tap Sync Contacts, tap Allow to give contacts access permissions on the device. Then you have successfully enabled Outlook Contact Sync on your phone. That's the tutorial on how to sync Outlook contacts on Android. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.